Hello, today we will discuss how to record sound in MIT App Inventor. First, drag and drop sound recorder and player. Sorry, and player. Then go in user interface, drag and drop a button. I will rename the button as sound recorder. As sound recorder, and then go in blocks, click on button. When button 1 click, call sound recorder start. Then click on sound recorder. After sound recorded, go in player, set player dot source to sound, get sound. Now we will go in designer. If you want to set the volume for the recording, first give a slider. I will set sliders width as fill parent and go in layout, drag and drop an horizontal arrangement, take it on the horizontal arrangement and give a label here, and the horizontal arrangement should be with fill parent and label should be volume. Now go in blocks, set when slider thumb position changed, player, set player 1 volume 2, position change thumb position. Now we will set sliders thumb position also. We can set the thumb position to 50 and max value should be 100 and minimum value should be 10. Now our app is completed. You can test this app on your mobile phone or anything for AI.